Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Prestun Tensong hadin ke jingya kendu e ka kong Bindas e mula Pyntip pakati kalong kemi kala menjur bakan Weng no e ke Jingshah Thngan. Kani karai kala mi hadin baka kong Bindas e kala pediang bani kendu e usembut Menteri Rangba bani keren halor kimat jing dawa jongka.
The meeting is very productive, so I've requested her to, to call off her indefinite strike or indefinite hunger strike, and she ultimately agreed to do that.
Has the government given the assurance in writing?
Yes, we have done it in writing.
So when will she break the any?
I think that too she'll do it very immediately. But we advise her, I think from the NEHU office, they advise her to take her to maybe to hospital for check-up, this, that, and then ultimately she can go.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.